Wednesday, December 6, 2023, DLB. Okay, don't have any confusion here. Came back from the machine shop, all right? And first thing first, what I did, I just get the piston, all right? I try to insert inside, and you can see that now the piston, it's entering inside the cylinder without any problem. It's not like before. Fine, most probably it was a calibration issue, all right? And I get also the micrometer. I'm at 83 millimeters. I have a dial bore cage here. I set it up. Now it's difficult with one hand to show you that. Dang it. 1 second to make it straight. I'm not watching through the camera. I don't know where I'm pointing. Where the hell I'm pointing? Oh boy. It's somewhere there, straight. Yeah, okay. The thing is that I zero it out, all right? And then I'm going to the number 1 cylinder, and wait. Don't care about the 1,000. Okay, this goes up to 6,000 millimeter. 6,000 millimeter. Yeah, it's okay. It's fine. It's perfect fine. It's not like before. Before, like I said, like I showed you, I was not able to pass the piston in. Now I can pass the piston inside like this or like this in any of the cylinders. All good, happy end. At least it was undersized and it was not an oversize, because if it was an oversize, then we can have a problem. Yay. Need to clean the block, and I can make the piston gap. Not now. I'm putting the 113K, and I'm waiting the seals for the M057 cylinder heads. Yay. You cannot do 3 things at once, right? What's gonna be the plan? I need to close the cylinder heads with the new valve seals. I'm gonna make the piston gap, and then we're gonna open the 113K. Yeah, let's see. That's it. Small update that the block is perfect fine. I measure all the cylinders. I check the piston in all of the cylinders. It's good. We are looking good. Obviously, there is 5,000 millimeter plus minus. Plus mostly, not minus. That means it might be 83.0, okay, 0.000. And there is a possibility to be 83.005. Okay, I have some run out on this one. Okay, but 5,000 millimeter plus minus, it's acceptable, it's fine. It's not being torqued down. Also the cylinder head, obviously, and it's at room temperature. So that's it. Small update, like I said. Thank you. Over and out.